Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using the Nationwide mobile app to manage my accounts, but recently it stopped loading and wouldn't let me log in. So if you are also running into the same problem, here are some of the troubleshooting methods that you can try in order to fix this issue. First of all, you need to make sure that your device's date and time settings are set to automatic. So banking application like Nationwide need the correct time and date to sync securely with their servers. If your phone's clock is even slightly off, you might get login errors or connection problems. In order to fix that, you just have to simply go to the settings of your device, and over here in the search bar you need to simply search for date and time. Now once you are able to find date and time option, you need to simply tap on it, and you need to make sure that set time automatically option is toggled on. If it is toggled off, you just have to tap on it in order to turn it on, and this way you will be able to automatically set your date and time for this application. Second thing, you need to check if your Nationwide app need a security update, because it's handling sensitive financial information and Nationwide often releases app updates to meet the new security requirements. For that, you need to simply open your Google Play Store or App Store, and over here in the search bar of it you will have to simply search for Nationwide mobile banking app. Now once you are able to find the app, you just have to simply tap on the update button if you see any update button over here, and you need to basically update your application to the latest version. So if this video helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more reliable mobile banking tips. Thanks for watching.